Hi, I'm Sophie. I'm an account manager for Baxter Story, the UK's leading independent catering company. I went to Northampton College a few years ago doing catering level 2 and 3. I finished in 2009 and since then I've had a successful career. I've worked in hotels, restaurants and now I work in contract catering. We feed many different people in different working environments, dinner, breakfast and lunch. We do snacks, all homemade, everything's fresh, everything's exciting. Northampton College taught me that food is everything and customer service is key. The college has amazing facilities so you can cook and serve real people, real customers. You get the exciting, you get feedback, you get if they're not happy. Just taught me amazing catering skills that I use every day. Today I'm making a really quick flapjack. It's my other half's favourite, so get some points from him. So yeah, it's a super quick recipe. Anyone can do it. So at the college, the best part about it was I liked the pastry side of it. You got to learn to make chocolates, different cakes, just everything really. Different pastries. If it wasn't right, it didn't go out, so you did have to start again. The lecturers were absolutely brilliant. They were strict but fair. They taught you that in the real world, if it's not good enough, you can't serve it, people won't eat it. And yeah, they were really passionate, which I loved, and they just made you feel like part of the team. I love the butchery side of it and learning how to prepare fish. It was absolutely fantastic. And when I finished, I felt I had the skills I needed just to go straight out into the world. I got a job with Novelli. I worked in his restaurant for a little while. That was brilliant. And yeah, now I do contract catering. So my main focus is looking after staff. I'm just making sure that my team are producing the best food. I feel I've gained these skills from working in restaurants and hotels, so I've done it, I've been there, so I am a good manager. I'd like to think so. I can teach them and guide them in ways that I've learned and experienced. So with the flapjack, all you do is you just pop all the ingredients in a pan. I've weighed them out first, just so you get, just so you're prepared. I find this best for a recipe if you haven't done it before. I've made this loads, so it's fine. So all I'm doing is heating the butter and margarine. I've just added the demerara sugar. And now just going to add a touch of salt. Salt's great with sweet, really brings out the flavours. Now that that's all melted, I'm just going to quickly chuck in the oats. And yeah, we'll see what this looks like when it's done. But no, Northampton College was brilliant. I really recommend it for anyone looking to get into catering. It just gives you a first-hand look on, how food should be. It's not about packet food, it's not about the quick fix, it's about how to make things properly. Thanks.